then I would have, please don't, and the chair is on his legs. When the time is exhausted, when he said go to your seats and division, you don't bother. And now you say the government did not have the numbers. I don't want to get into that. That's not my business. Whether the government has numbers or not numbers, that they will say, and when an occasion comes, it can be proved. Even today or tomorrow, at the earliest, if there is an occasion, the members ask division as per the rules, the deputy chairman will definitely allow it, and it can be proved who has the numbers and who has not numbers and all. And then coming to last point, I don't want to take that further time. We are also pained. We are also human beings. We are doing our duty. And what is happening also will have effect on our health also, on the health of many of the members. Why don't you think about that also? And moreover, there is a COVID general restriction for the people. And I don't know this situation is going to come. 3 days back I have said it in the house, please follow the guidelines. Keep distance. And also wear full masks and all for future. And then what happened yesterday in the backdrop of that, so that is totally unsustainable. Then I have told the Secretary General today, the entire campus is in the administrative control of the Speaker. As a chairman, I have directed my Secretary General to get in touch with the Lok Sabha Secretariat and see to it that proper care is taken about the people who are protesting. Though the Secretary General reminded me and also showed me 13 of this month before starting the session. At that time, no dispute or no hangama at that time. Members cannot use the precincts of the Parliament House for any demonstration, dharna, strike, fast, or for the purpose of performing a religious ceremony also. That is the instruction. Keeping that instruction, I appeal to the members, please follow the instructions, and whatever you want to say or do it democratically, and also follow the health advice in your interest, in the interest of others, and in the interest of the people of the country. And democracy means debate, discussion, decision, not disruption. That has to be understood. Minister, Leader of the House, no, please, let it be over. Let it be over. There cannot be remarks of the chair. I will give you a chance, please. Leader of the House.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
जी,
थैंक यू। आपने नेता प्रतिपक्ष को बोलने का अवसर दिया, उन्होंने अपनी बातें रखी। 2 दिन पूर्व की जो घटना है उन्होंने उसको दुखद बताया, परंतु दुखद बताने के साथ ही साथ उसको सही ठहराने की कोशिश की और आसंदी से जो निर्णय हुए उसको गलत ठहराने की कोशिश की।
I will give you an opportunity, sir. Leader of the House is on his legs. Please.
Just 1 second, sir.
If you don't mind.
The government and the opposition, I beg of you, in my 60 years, I have seen such circumstances in Bangalore. As an opposition leader, I worked. I beg of you, the government also should come to some understanding. Both opposition and the government should sit together, help you to run the house. With all sincerely, I am begging you. I know you. Please, I have seen the circumstances. On 20th, when I came and took the vote, what the expression you have made, I am supremely happy, sir. But the only thing is, we have come to the breaking point. No, democracy should work. Cooperation of the opposition is not the question of numerical strength. Even one member, what are Nagaraj, I would like to tell you, sir, they were suspended. One member, I allowed the government to run the house smoothly, withdrawing the decision made by the speaker. It is not the speaker, it is the government stand. I told their others, no. So with my experience, I will tell you, we want to run the house. Please, I am watching every day. We are not coming here for tamash. Everybody is sincere.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Question of all about the bill. X way may something, Y may something. Ultimately, the decision of the House, we have to accept it. Please think over, sir.
No, he's saying something.
I will appeal to you.
He's completing.
Please think over. I was watching the Deputy Speaker, Deputy Chairman. Such a thing I have not seen. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Prahlad
I will
Joshi.
appeal to the government.
Parliamentary Minister.
Please.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister. ठीक है, Parliament Affairs Minister. Please. Okay, everybody, I take it in good spirit. I take it in good spirit. Sri Prahlad Joshi,
Sir,
Minister. Right. Right. I will allow you, please sit down. I will allow you. I said, don't force me. No, you first hear me, then other. I said, yes, okay. There is a chair who has to regulate the House. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister want to say something.
sir, you have expressed your agony and pain, sir, and equally we are also pained. In democracy, both opposition and ruling party together we should discuss, as you rightly said, sir. Ghulam Nabi ji has raised few issues. First, he has raised about the समय टाइम का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं रहना चाहिए. मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं सर, जो समय का रिस्ट्रिक्शन ये तो हम आने के बाद और आप आने के बाद ये नहीं हुआ है, पहले से ये समय का रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि वी हैव गॉट सम लिमिटेशन. एंड आई वुड आल्सो पुट इट टू like to put it on record. Many leaders personally they have spoken to me and they have told to conclude it as early as possible. In spite of that, under your leadership, sir, under your guidance, because I always take your guidance, because you are national president of the party when I was the district president. So I always take your advice, and whatever you have advised, to talk to all other leaders. And when they suggested, I said, if you want to conclude it early, then the discussion maybe it all depends on you how much time it should be allocated, but all the time the timing is allocated in Business Advisory Committee, sir, and that is followed, sir. Even on the bills which were passed day before yesterday, 4 hours was allocated, 9:30 dot you started the discussion, and till 1 o'clock it went on, sir. And at 1 o'clock I requested for the extension of time till the dispose of those particular 2 bills. Sir, may I submit it through you, sir? Is it the first time that we have extended the timing of the House? Many times, sir, even in this current session, we have extended the time twice or thrice before to that. 1:30, 1:45, we have done that, sir. And the intention of the government is, since the discussion was complete, as per we decided in the Business Advisory Committee, we wanted to complete it. And they are talking about the division, sir. Deputy Chairman, repeatedly, as soon as I requested for the extension of time, they were in the well, sir. I appealed to them, sir, through you, that let them have the look at the proceedings which have been recorded. As soon as I said, they came into the well, and the first person who was to move the resolution for sending it to the committee, his seat is allocated on the top, and he was there in this well, and he was asking. Of course, it has not gone into record. Sir, you please wait. I will go and move it. But even then, he did not go, and he did not move. Right. These are all the things, sir. And many a times, when the sending of the resolution to send the committee was going on, Deputy Chairman many a times he requested to go back to their seats, and I am ready to allow the division.
13 times.
13 times. And also, sir, is it not a painful thing, sir, in a elder house, which is the most respected one, going to the almost attacking the Deputy Chairman? And is it not true, sir? One of the marshal was physically attacked. Was he not threw away? Sir, is it the way to behave in the House, sir? And after that, as you rightly said, sir, as you rightly said, if they express the regret, government is not bent upon to keep them away and run the business, sir. We are on very strong footage, sir. Even on this bill, I don't want to go on the merit of that bill, sir. But whatever previously all parties, they have promised in their manifesto, including Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right, don't go into very...
I'm not going, that itself is done, sir. But in spite of that, we are ready for the discussion because we are on very strong footage, sir.
Right.
And last point, sir. And they are
I have
talking
already
of-
called the leader of the house.
Sir,
He was
sir,
on his legs.
Sir, let me. Sir, another point, sir. When they are talking about the numbers I don't want to go, sir. It was on that day particularly, it was in our favor, it was 110, and it was in there for it is 72, sir, which can be proved again, sir.
Right.
And
That is
people,
different. That is
and
that
sir,
is different.
and sir,
Please,
no, ठीक है, sir. If you
please conclude.
Sir, if you feel
Sir, please sit
that
down.
it is
I will
incorrect,
call you.
I will
I will call you